Good morning. It is January the 17th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading week. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike actual performance records, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as a lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, overnight, Trump spoke to the Wall Street Journal, and the dollar got clobbered. Equities outside of China were down, and gold and treasuries were higher. Now, what happens in the overnight session is that it'd be hard to believe that we didn't have volume, but when I looked at this morning, we had 350,000 contracts trading. The market moves, and the price gets so far out of whack that people will buy it or sell it, and that usually sets the excess. So right now we've rejected prices above 11. Started off this morning wanting to sell 11s to 15s because I thought, they got stops above here. It remains to be seen whether the dollar will be sold or not. It was one article, one comment from Trump that did this. Where's the proof? Where's the backup, etc. So started off wanting to sell the 11 to 15 area, but that might be pretty hard right now, and we were going to buy the 1s to 5s. So I'm going to lower all that right now. So 25.01 to 29 buy 1. 21 to 25 buy 2. On the sell side, 7 to 11 sell 1. 15 to 19 sell 2. And it may take a 3. I'm going to put a question mark by 3 right here to get in. But the overnight sessions, they do what they do, and excess is what you expect to find, and quite often they are the high or the low. Trump's right, the dollar is too high, and the dollar has appreciated some 25%, I believe, since 2014. I may have that number wrong, and 4% since Trump's been elected. It's up 25%. And that one of the things that has hurt earnings has been the drag on overseas sales of American products because of the strong dollar. And China at Davos said, "Nah, we're not messing with our currencies. We're not taking it down. We're not manipulating it." That's baloney. Everybody knows that they are, but these politicians and leaders of countries say what they will. Okay, resistance is 53, 53.04. 7 to 11, sell 1. And we'll make 19 to 23, sell 2. On the buy side, 20 to 24, picking up this area right in here. Number 1, so 13 to 17 buy 1, and then 1 to 5 buy 2. Gold, when I came in this morning, was 12.17 plus, a big move. And right now it's come off quite a bit. So we're at 10.11. We'll make 14, 16, sell 1. 18 to 20, sell 2. Now, when you read an article like Trump, attributed to Trump, that may be his long-term goals and what he plans to pull off, but it hasn't happened yet. So you get an article like that, and futures are futures. The market reacts, but has anything really changed? And right now, nothing really has changed. So my guess is we've probably seen the high and the lows in most of the markets. We've got volume down here at 02. We've got this break at 8. Looks like we're going to test it. So 5 to 7 by 1. The buck to 02 by 2. As long as we stay above 1200, this market can trade higher. Currencies exploded overnight off those comments, and the reason currencies really move as much as they do and can move is that it's the manipulation of the people that make market in currencies. They are willing to trade back and forth all day long in a very, very tight price range, but when you break out of that price range, there is no bid and there is no offer. And resting orders by clients are the liquidity. Then all the buying or selling is over, and then the Forex banks come back in and are willing to make market once again. And that's why you get these great big pronounced extended moves in currencies, is because of the lack of liquidity when you break out of trading ranges, and it makes for fabulous trending. And you can see right here, if you just bought the breakout, you're in at 106.45. If you buy the Asian breakout, you're in at 106.91, and the market trades up to 107.45. I mean, those are huge trades, and it's that trending. So Renko charts, the Ichimoku charts can really pay off big time in currencies. Okay, right here, 107.25, sell 1. 107.40 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down stopped at 683, so 107 even by 1. And then 106.75 by 2. And this part, these two numbers right here, this level, 107 even, 107.10. If we can stay above that, that market should hit or retest at least the 107.35, 37 area right up here. No news to drive it today. We have the Empire State Manufacturing Index that's forecast at +8. That usually has no impact. The attacks in the press will continue on Trump today. That's a given. I mean, the only person defending Trump is Trump and his immediate circle. The Republicans are noticeably quiet, as they always are. They don't. The Democrats, I mean, if you want to know how to run a party and how to achieve your political aims, the Democrats they're the model. They know how to do it. And they play long ball just like China does. They don't waste your time, and they don't worry about, well, they don't have to worry about public sentiment because the press is on their side. They can do anything they want and get away with it. But the Republicans are absolutely scared out of their minds to do anything to upset the apple cart, so to speak, or to offend the Democrats and their constituents. And it costs them all the time. Okay, crude oil, 53.50. I didn't see any articles out over the weekend that really supported higher prices. Saudi Arabia came out and said that it might take to the summer to work off the excess. That most OPEC members were adhering to their agreed upon cuts, so not much help there. So 53.50 is pretty good resistance. So 53 and a quarter, 53, sell 1. It's where resistance is 53.75, 54, sell 2. If we can't break the 52.75 area, this market can trade higher. 52.50, 52.75, buy 1. And 52 even, 52 and a quarter, buy 2. And the E-mini. My guess is the E-mini is probably going to hold in a trading range. The bias is still to the upside. Everybody is long in anticipation of Trump's economic package and tax package, and he hasn't said that he's not going to do it. And until proven otherwise, my guess is we have a trading range with a higher bias. So E-mini really didn't get clobbered. I mean, we off of the news, we went from 66 down to 58, 8 points. So the bottom didn't fall out of this market. You can see that we're hanging in here. So we've got resistance at 70 to 75, and we have support at 55 to 60. And if you look at the screen, that's where we've been. The bias is still to the upside. So 69 to 71, sell 1. 74, 76, sell 2. On the buy side, I'd like to get it a little cheaper, but 58 to 60 buy 1, and we'll make it 54, 56 for buy 2. No news to really drive the trading today, so the morning business shows will be filled up with supposition on can Trump bring the dollar down, etc. We will see. The problem with the dollar is everybody and their mother that can get a dollar into the United States from any part of the world where their governments are suspect, they do so. And it's really hard to overcome that. And, you know, as bad a press as the United States gets internationally, that's all fine and good, but when people want to immigrate legally or illegally, the first country they want to get to is the United States, and everybody will have some dollars stashed away someplace. It's hard to get around that. So it's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. I will be with you as soon as possible.